everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a homemade Diwali LED light chaser that I built using simple and easily available components. This works just like those fancy shop decoration lights, but it's completely made at home and super cheap. For this project, I used a few basic parts. A small transistor-based chaser circuit or timer, see that you can get easily from the old light and to normal lights. Remove all the wires. Then take this to lights, or you can use more lights. I soldered the LEDs in a row so that it looks neat. Then I connected each LED line to the output pins of the chaser board. The power supply is given on the input terminals. Make sure you match polarity correctly, or the LEDs might burn or not glow. This is the connections. This is for output 220 volts. Once the wiring was done, I powered it on, and as you can see, the LEDs start blinking in a chasing pattern. It looks really great, especially in low light or at night. This can be used for room decor, festival decorations, or even for school projects. Mera bas kai pay sunaho to comment karo. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and happy Diwali to all of you.